G'day Tentworld viewers, this is Deon from the Ferntree Gully store. Now today I'm going to show you the JETBOIL Summit Skillet. Now I bought this to replace my old cooking kit so that it takes up less space. I used to have a 2-burner stove, but now I'm going to use this JETBOIL Minimo with the Summit Skillet for cooking. So these are compatible with most JETBOILs, and the Minimo that I've got here already comes with a pot support with it. If your JETBOIL doesn't come with a pot support, you can purchase these separately. So this is the Summit Skillet here. Comes with the turner, which nests in the handle. Just a quick flick and that comes out. Just squeeze the handle to come into place. It has a non-stick surface, and we'll find out how non-stick it is in a minute when we do a cooking test. The bottom has grooves around the base of it like that. And if you take a closer look at the pot support, you'll actually notice there's grooves in there, so that when you've got the skillet on there, it doesn't come off easily. So you can tilt it. It's not going to slide it very easily, which is a really good feature of this as well. So now let's do a cooking test. Okay, so that pan's heated up quite quickly. I haven't sprayed anything in here, so we're going to crack an egg open and we'll see how it goes. I broke the yolk, but it should still taste alright. And we'll let that cook for a sec. So we have a look at the egg now. It is cooking well. It is not sticking, which is awesome. Okay, well, as you can see, the egg's cooked really well and hasn't stuck to the pan. So it's got a really good quality non-stick coating on there. If you'd like to check these out, and I would highly recommend it, come to one of our stores across the country or visit us at tentworld.com.au. Thanks for watching, and happy camping and happy cooking as well.